LG refrigerator. How to change the doors of a side-by-side model. These tools are required. Step 1. Remove the freezer door. Hold the retainer with one hand and unplug the hose with the other hand. Remove the 3 screws as indicated. Plug the connector on the right side. Unplug 2 connectors on the left side. Remove the screw that holds the ground wire. Double check that the hose is loose on the back side and take out the water hose from the top. Turn and remove the hinge locker. As the hinge is locked here, lift it up from the wiring side. Move the hinge up and take it off where the plastic part starts. For convenience, temporarily put the water hose in the hole. Gently lift up the door and take it off. Step 2. Remove the fridge door. Turn and remove the hinge locker. Lift up the hinge. Gently lift up the door and take it off. Step 3. Place the fridge door. Hook the hinge. Then put the wiring gently in the hinge hole and press the hinge in the hole. When putting back the hinge locker, make sure it's positioned on the correct side. Step 4. Place the freezer door. Take out the water hose and insert it a few centimeters in the hole. When putting back the hinge, first put it around the plastic part of the hose. Secondly, add the wiring. Be sure the hinge is hooked. Then press it in the door. Put it on the hinge locker, make sure it's in the correct position and turn it. You can now insert the hose completely until it reaches the connection point at the back. Attach the grounding wire. Put your finger on the wire while screwing, so it stays in position. Plug in the connector. Plug in 2 connectors. Gently put the wiring under the top cover and close it. Put back 3 screws to attach the top cover. Do not forget to connect the water hose on the back. Try to pull it out to test if it's properly seated.